Hi students, Namaskaram. Now we are discussing our 13th practical problem in the chapter Residential Status. Mr. Manoj, an Indian citizen, is employed in Dubai and left India on 1st July 2019. He came back to India on 5th November 2020 on leave and again went to Dubai on 10th January 2021. Determine his residential status for the previous year 2020-21. This is the question. We are entering the solution. Mr. Manoj, an Indian citizen, is employed in Dubai and left India on 1st July 2019. He is an Indian citizen and left India abroad for employment purpose. Therefore, the 60 days in the second basic condition becomes 180 days. In short, only the first basic condition is to be considered for determining residential status. Mr. Manoj ഒരു ഇന്ത്യൻ സിറ്റിസൺ ആണ്. ഇന്ത്യ വിട്ടു പോകുന്നത് ജോലിക്ക് വേണ്ടിയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് രണ്ടാമത്തെ ബേസിക് കണ്ടീഷനിലുള്ള 60 ദിവസം എന്നത് 182 മാറും. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു ഇന്ത്യൻ സിറ്റിസൺ ജോലിക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഇന്ത്യ വിട്ടു പോകുമ്പോൾ ഒന്നാമത്തെ ബേസിക് കണ്ടീഷൻ മാത്രം കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. He came back to India on 5th November 2020. 2019 ജൂലൈയിൽ പോകുന്നു. 2020 നവംബർ 5 ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ലീവിൽ വരുന്നു. And again went to Dubai on 10th January 2021. Then we can say, in the previous year 2020-21, Mr. Manoj was in India from 5th November 2020 to 10th January 2021. 2020-21 എന്ന പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിലെ ഈ വ്യക്തി നവംബർ 5 മുതൽ ജാനുവരി 10 വരെ ഇന്ത്യയിലുണ്ട്. Then count number of days of his stay from 5th November 2020 to 10th January 2021. In the month of November, 26 days, including the day of arrival. December 31. January 9 days, excluding the day of departure. In January 9 days. Total 66 days. In the previous year 2020-21, Mr. Manoj was in India for 66 days. To determine whether he is resident or non-resident, check basic conditions under section 6.1. First basic condition, he is in India during the previous year for a period or periods aggregating in all to 180 days or more. That is, he has been in India for at least 182 days during the previous year. Previous year ചുരുങ്ങിയത് 182 ദിവസം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. Here, he was in India only for 66 days and therefore he failed to satisfy the first basic condition. Then consider second basic condition. The 60 days in the second basic condition becomes 180 days as he left India for employment abroad. The second basic condition, stay in India for 182 days or more in the previous year. Here, he was in India only for 66 days and he failed to satisfy the second basic condition also. Our answer, he satisfies none of the basic conditions. That is, he failed to satisfy any of the basic conditions under section 6.1. Therefore, he is non-resident. This is our answer. So, thank you.